everybody, guess where I went? I went to Target, and I actually got some great deals. I am pretty excited to show you guys the deals. Walmart was a bust, Walgreens was a bust, but Target I actually did pretty well. So I'm here to show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting this Suja drink. My husband actually liked it. I got this like a couple weeks ago. Now I can't remember where I got the coupon from because I printed two of them a while ago. But if you guys go to the Lozo, I think it's LOZO.com, you guys can just type in Suja and it might bring you there. Otherwise, just go to the Suja website. You guys might be able to print it off. So this was $3.49. There is a 35% off cartwheel deal for this. Plus, you guys want to use that $1 off coupon. I totally did not write what you guys would pay out of pocket. Why did I do that? I think you guys pay $1.27 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.20 a rebate on Ibotta. Plus I had another one that popped up for $1. So they both, it was like a double whammy. I don't know why it did it, but when I scanned my receipt, it automatically posted it popped up two of them, so I just let it be. So this ended up becoming a moneymaker for me, but otherwise with that just that one deal for the $1.20, it ends up being just 7 cents for this, which is a great deal. I ended up getting this Whole Earth Sweetener Natural Sweet tea or sugar, whatever. This is $3.19. There's a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. You guys also want to use that $2 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay 55 cents for this. Now, if you guys' Walmart has this, it's a really good deal at Walmart, but my store does not carry this in stock, so I did it at Target. But for 55 cents, that's a great deal. I ended up getting these instant cold packs because why not? These were just $3.09. They're 2 packs in each box, okay? You guys would end up paying $6.18 for both of these. But then for buying 2 of them, you end up getting a $5 gift card, making these just $1.18 for the both of these, which is a pretty decent deal. We always have stuff in a first aid kit in every vehicle just in case things happen. Okay, so the next deal I got are these Rohotos or whatever, dry eye relief. These were $9.99 at my store. There's a deal on Cartwheel to get 20% off. Plus, we have those $5 off coupons that we just got about 2 Sundays ago. I ended up getting 3 because Ibotta lets you do the limit of 3. You guys would end up paying $2.99 a piece for these, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just a penny moneymaker. Not the greatest deal for a penny moneymaker, but these were absolutely free. I'm pretty excited. I do not wear glasses or contacts, but my family wears them like crazy, so I'll give them to my family. And then here is a good moneymaker that you guys can do. Now you can do this at Walmart or Target, whatever deal you guys want to do. I just did it at Target. So these were $1 a piece. You guys would pay, you guys want to use a 75-cent off a 2 coupon for this, okay? So then you guys would end up paying $1.25, but you also want to make sure it's over the 3.5 ounces, so just showing you guys that. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 off a 2 rebate on Ibotta. This ends up becoming a 25-cent moneymaker. So you can't go wrong with free snacks for whatever you guys need it to use. Okay, so the next deal I got is the Blink Revitalens. This was $6.99, I think, for this one. $6.99. There's a 20% off deal on coupons, or there's a 20% off deal on Cartwheel. Plus, you guys want to use a $3 off coupon that you guys can print off of Blink.com. And then you guys also want to get a Blink gel tears, whatever. This was $8.89. You guys will also get 20% off of this. And you guys also want to use a different $3 off coupon from Blink.com. So for the both of these, you guys would pay $6.70 for both of these. What's wrong? Okay, sorry, my kid just got hurt, so, and my husband is vacuuming upstairs. So you guys would pay $6.70 out of pocket for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on checkout 51 for this, and a $3 rebate on checkout 51 for this. But then if you guys buy 2 of them, you guys will end up getting $1. So this ends up becoming a 30-cent moneymaker for the both of these. So there was that. My total before everything came to like $85, and then after coupons and Cartwheel.
That's only $40.
Yeah, and then after Cartwheel, it came to $25 and $39.
It's a baby.
Yeah, they're baby Oreos.
It's a baby.
Yep. So $25.39. I ended up getting $12.95 back with Ibotta. I also had a 25-cent rebate for any receipt. And then with checkout 51, I got $6 back instantly, plus I got that $1 bonus for buying both of them. So it ended up becoming, I ended up getting $19.95 back with both of my apps. And then I had that $5 gift card for buying the cold packs. So everything added up comes out to be 44 cents for 11 items. 44 cents, which I think is awesome. Everything came to be basically 4 cents a piece, which you can't go wrong with that. You being silly. But if you guys like this Target haul, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to go attend to my...
Please thumbs up.
I'm going to go attend to my baby. He's not feeling the greatest. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up again. And I will see you guys all later. Say bye.
Bye.